In this tutorial, we'll guide you step by step through creating your Stancer account so you can start accepting payments easily and securely. Click Start Now to begin your registration. Enter your email address and choose a secure password. Once you've completed all the fields, click Create My Account. A confirmation email will then be sent to secure your registration. If you can't find it, be sure to check your spam or junk mail folder. Once your email address has been confirmed, you can resume the onboarding process. To create your account, enter your personal information, then choose whether you'd like to receive personalized offers before clicking Continue. Proceed to the next step. Please verify your phone number. Enter the verification code you received by SMS, then click Validate. We'll now complete your organization's information. Start by selecting the country where your organization is registered. Next, search for your organization by entering its SIREN or SIRIT number. Alternatively, you can search by entering the company name. Select the matching result from the list of suggestions. If your organization doesn't appear, you can enter the information manually. Then, review the pre-filled information. To complete this step, upload your KBIS extract or an equivalent official registration document. Once everything is ready, click Continue. Next, let's configure your business activity. Select your business sector. Then, describe your business activity. Enter your average transaction amount, your average annual revenue, and select the Stancer product or products you want to use. If you accept payments online, also enter your website address. You can save your progress and resume your registration at any time, or click Continue to move on to the next step. In the About You section, enter your personal information. Then, enter your tax identification number. Next, indicate whether you are the organization's legal representative and/or beneficial owner. Upload a valid identity document, either the front and back of your national ID card or your passport. Select the files to upload, then confirm. Once your identity document has been uploaded, enter its document number, issue date, and expiry date. Finally, click Continue. You will now reach the Legal Representatives page. You must declare all of your organization's legal representatives. Here, you'll find a summary of the information you've already entered. To add another representative, click Add Another Representative. Select whether the representative is a natural person or a legal entity, then complete the remaining fields. Once you're done, confirm to return to the list. Before continuing, check the declaration confirming that all legal representatives and beneficial owners have been declared as representatives. You will now be asked to declare your organization's beneficial owners. These are the individuals who directly or indirectly own more than 25% of the share capital or voting rights, or who exercise control over the organization. For each beneficial owner, enter their percentage of share capital and voting rights, and indicate whether they exercise control over the organization. Add additional beneficial owners if necessary, check the declaration, then click Continue. Next, enter the IBAN of the bank account that will receive your payments. Then upload the required supporting document in PDF format only. Make sure the bank account belongs to your organization, then click Continue. You will now reach the Supporting Documents page. Upload the required documents, making sure they are valid and that the first and last names match those shown on the identity documents exactly. Click Continue. The final step is to complete your electronic signature. First, download the Payment Services Agreement and review it. Once you have read the documents, accept the required declarations, then click Continue. You will now proceed to the qualified signature. Have your original physical identity document ready. Make sure you are in a well-lit environment and remove any glasses or hats if necessary. To start the identity verification process, you have two options. Scan the QR code with your phone or request a link by SMS by entering your phone number. Once you've started the process, simply follow the instructions on your mobile device. For this example, we'll use the QR code method. Start by scanning the QR code with your phone. You will then be redirected to the identity verification process on your mobile device. Select the country that issued your identity document, then choose the type of identity document you want to use. Next, allow access to your camera so you can take the required photos. Before continuing, make sure your document is completely legible. Take a photo of the front of your identity document, then make sure the image is clear before confirming it. Next, follow the instructions to photograph your identity document. Review the document details and confirm that everything is correct. Once your identity document has been verified, the verification process will continue with a security selfie. Simply follow the instructions to capture your selfie. Position your face within the frame and look directly at the camera. You may be asked to move your phone closer. Then continue following the on-screen instructions. Once the capture is complete, make sure your face is clearly visible, then confirm your selfie. The verification process will then continue with location sharing. Allow access to your location to complete the verification process. The final step is to complete your electronic signature. On your phone, start by reviewing the agreement presented to you. Once you have read it, accept the terms, then click Continue. You will then receive a one-time confirmation code by SMS. Enter this code to sign the document. Once this step is complete, your identity verification will be processed. Your signature has now been recorded, and your application will be reviewed by our team. You will be notified as soon as your account has been fully approved.